Hey there, folks! Today's topic is a hot potato in the tech world: artificial intelligence and its impact on jobs. Buckle up because we're diving deep into this fascinating and sometimes controversial issue. Let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines mimicking human cognitive functions like learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. It's the brain power behind virtual assistants, recommendation algorithms, and self-driving cars. The big question on everyone's mind is whether AI will create more jobs or replace human workers. The truth, as always, is a bit nuanced. First off, let's address the fear factor. Many folks worry that AI will lead to mass unemployment as machines take over tasks traditionally done by humans. And it's not an entirely unfounded fear. We've seen automation replace jobs in manufacturing, retail, and other industries. But here's the reality check. AI isn't just a job killer. It's also a job creator. How so? Well, let's break it down. Yes, I can automate certain tasks, leading to job displacement in some sectors. For example, robots can assemble cars faster and with fewer errors than humans. Similarly, chatbots can handle customer inquiries more efficiently than human agents in some cases. But here's the thing: job displacement isn't a new phenomenon. Throughout history, technology has replaced jobs while also creating new ones. When ATMs were introduced, many feared bank tellers would become obsolete. Instead, tellers shifted to more customer-focused roles, improving overall service. Now, let's talk about the flip side: new job opportunities created by AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they require humans to develop, maintain, and oversee them. Think about AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning specialists. These are high-demand jobs that didn't exist or were rare a few decades ago. The rise of AI has also led to new roles like AI ethicists, who ensure AI systems are used responsibly and ethically. Another important point is that AI often augments human capabilities rather than outright replacing them. Take healthcare, for instance. I can analyze medical images faster and more accurately than humans, aiding doctors in diagnosis. This doesn't mean doctors are obsolete. It means they can focus on complex cases while AI handles routine tasks. Furthermore, AI contributes to economic growth and innovation, which in turn create more jobs. Companies adopting AI technologies can become more competitive, leading to expansion and job creation. Think about e-commerce giants using AI for personalized recommendations, improving customer experience and driving sales. Of course, the transition isn't always smooth. Job displacement can be challenging, especially for workers in heavily automated industries. That's why reskilling and upskilling initiatives are crucial. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions must collaborate to equip workers with the skills needed for the AI-driven economy. So, what does the future hold? Predicting the exact impact of AI on jobs is tricky, but here are a few key trends to consider. We're likely to see a hybrid workforce where humans and AI work collaboratively. Certain tasks will be automated, freeing up humans for more creative, strategic, and interpersonal work. AI will continue to spawn new industries and jobs. From AI trainers to AI bias auditors, the job market will evolve to accommodate the AI revolution. Ethical considerations will play a significant role. Ensuring AI is used responsibly, transparently, and inclusively will be paramount to avoid exacerbating societal inequalities. Lifelong learning will become the norm as workers adapt to evolving technologies. Continuous education and skills development will be essential for staying employable. In conclusion, the relationship between AI and jobs is complex. While AI can displace certain jobs, it also creates new opportunities, drives innovation, and enhances productivity. The key lies in proactive adaptation, reskilling, and ethical deployment of AI technologies. So, are AI and jobs friends or foes? It's a bit of both, but with the right approach, they can coexist harmoniously in a future where humans and machines complement each other's strengths. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep the conversation going.